Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Facebook with an account that already has admin or editor rights. This is essential so changes stick. Once logged in, navigate directly to the page you want and open Settings or Manage Page. That brings up page roles. Make sure you can see current role listings. You'll remove access from there. You're doing this to limit who can post or change settings, so double-check you're on the correct page before proceeding. Now you'll remove the person. In Page Roles, scan the list to find the user and their specific role, admin, editor, moderator, etc. Click Edit next to their name, then choose Remove or select a less privileged role to retain limited access. Facebook often asks you to confirm with your account password or a two-factor prompt. Complete that to finalize the change. Once done, the person's tokens and potential scheduled posts are revoked, protecting the page from unwanted updates. Finish by refreshing the page and reopening page roles to verify the person no longer appears. This ensures the removal propagated across devices. Make sure to inspect Activity Log, scheduled posts, and any connected apps or Business Manager links in case secondary access remains. If removal didn't take effect, try adding another trusted admin temporarily to repeat the process, or use Facebook's support tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.